have your lipid profile tested without fasting. Yes, that is one of the major changes that the new guidelines for lipid management brings in, aimed at preventing heart attacks. The lipid profile has also been extended by introducing an additional parameter, change in the cutoffs and reference ranges, with the introduction of 4 risk categories divided as low risk, moderate risk, high risk and very high risk. India will now have its own guidelines for the first time, partly moving away from the European standards. The Cardiological Society of India on Thursday released the first Indian guidelines for dyslipidemia management, which are crucial in prevention of heart attack. Dyslipidemia is the term used to describe abnormal lipid levels in the bloodstream. The latest Indian guidelines recommend non-fasting lipid measurements for risk estimation and treatment, shifting from traditional fasting measurements. Introducing some major changes, new guidelines recommend that the main focus should be LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, that contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries. But for patients with high triglycerides, non-HDL cholesterol should be the focus. Now, what is non-HDL cholesterol? It is the difference between the good cholesterol, which is also known as HDL in your report, and total cholesterol. Non-HDL includes all types of bad cholesterol. You can check your lipid report and you will find this parameter. With several studies pointing out the increasing advent of heart diseases, especially among the young population of India, the new guidelines recommend the first lipid profile test at the age of 18 years or even earlier if there is a family history of premature heart disease or death. These guidelines have been communicated to cardiologists across India, and soon they will become part of the test reports at Path Labs as they bring changes in the pattern of reporting lipid profile. The move holds importance as dyslipidemia is known as the silent killer, as rising cholesterol levels and triglycerides do not show any symptoms but end up blocking arteries, leading to sudden heart attacks and strokes. A study published in June 2023 revealed that the national prevalence of dyslipidemia in India is very high at 81%. Another interesting parameter that these guidelines bring in is the addition of one more parameter in the lipid profile. New guidelines add lipoprotein to the important lipid parameters while testing. Till now, LDL cholesterol, non-HDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol and triglycerides were the important parameters in your report. However, testing of lipoprotein levels is now recommended. An elevated level of this measure can indicate an increased risk for heart disease and stroke. They are particles composed of proteins and fats that transport cholesterol through your bloodstream to your cells. The guidelines recommend lifestyle modifications by reducing sugar and carbohydrates in the diet. They also suggest regular exercise and yoga. For patients who are at high risk, combination therapy with statins and oral non-statin drugs is also advised.